In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a thumbnail with ChatGPT. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Creating eye-catching thumbnails is a huge part of engaging your audience on platforms like YouTube. And if you're a content creator, you know how critical that first impression can be. With the help of ChatGPT, we can easily design a vibrant and appealing thumbnail tailored to your needs. So let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open your favorite web browser. Once you've got that open, go ahead and type in chatgpt.com and hit enter. This should bring you right to the ChatGPT homepage. If this is your first time visiting, you might need to create an account, but if you already have one, just make sure you log in. Now take a moment to familiarize yourself with the chat interface. It's pretty straightforward. You'll see a big text box where you can type your questions or requests. This is the heart of how you'll interact with ChatGPT. Once you're logged in and ready, click into that chat box and type "Create a YouTube thumbnail." But don't stop there. To get the best results, you also need to include some specific details. Think about the theme you want for your thumbnail. Is it going to be fun and vibrant, or maybe something more serious? Do you have a particular style in mind? Perhaps minimalistic, colorful, or retro? Next, consider what main colors you want to use. Colors play a significant role in capturing attention, so be strategic. Lastly, don't forget to decide on the text that will go on your thumbnail. This should be catchy and relevant to the content of your video. For example, if your video is about 5 easy recipes, you might want to include that phrase prominently. Make sure all your information is complete and accurate. Double-check everything to ensure it reflects what you've envisioned for your thumbnail. This step is important, as the more specific you are, the better the results will be. Once you're satisfied with the input, look for the arrow icon in the chat interface and click on it to submit your request. And now, the magic happens. You'll have to wait a moment while ChatGPT processes your request and works its magic. As you wait, take a deep breath and maybe even visualize how your thumbnail will look once it's ready. It should be vibrant, engaging, and grab the attention of anyone scrolling through their feed. When the thumbnail is generated and appears on your screen, it's time to take a closer look. Make sure it meets your expectations. Does the style fit your video's theme? Are the colors working well together? Is the text legible and enticing? If everything looks good and you're happy with the result, congratulations. Now, you'll want to save this masterpiece. Look for the download icon. It usually looks like a downward arrow. Click on that icon, and your thumbnail will be saved directly to your device, ready to be uploaded to your YouTube video. And just like that, you've created a striking and personalized thumbnail using ChatGPT. This little tool can save you a lot of time and effort while ensuring that your creative vision shines through. Remember, a great thumbnail isn't just an image. It's your first chance to attract viewers and set the tone for your video content. Thanks for watching this tutorial on creating a thumbnail with ChatGPT. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking it and subscribing for more tips and tricks. Good luck with your video creation, and until next time, keep creating amazing content.